Hello everybody, this is Andrew and I'm here to show you a quick comparison of the Eufy 11S RoboVac versus the Roomba 650. From the front there really doesn't seem to be much difference. The Eufy is almost 3 inches as advertised. The issue with the Roomba is the IR sensor that lives up there that takes it all the way up to 4 inches. My main issue can be clearly demonstrated here, where we try to make the Roomba clean below the couch, but it won't go through. Where the Eufy will go in without a problem. All of this to say that the additional almost 1.5 inches that the Eufy does not have makes an impact when cleaning under furniture.